everybody. Today we are cooking. It is Dory and Mama's cooking show. Dory, say hello.
Hello.
Say we're gonna cook.
See you later.
Yeah! What are we cooking today?
Some rice.
Some rice?
Yeah.
Okay, first let's show the bag. Let's do that first. So this is called a chef's plate bag. There's all kinds of companies like this here where they send you pre-packaged ingredients and you cook the recipe yourself at home. We've just been trying these out lately because there's been a lot of good deals, a lot of good promotions. So we'll see what we've got today, huh? We'll see what's in the bag? Oh, we need to wash our hands first. Let's wash our hands. Other one?
What have you squeezed?
I did. I rolled them up already. Dory, what are you peeling right now?
Onion.
An onion. Yeah, onions. Dory's gonna peel the onions. We put the food scraps in the compost. These are tomatoes. Can you say tomato?
Tomato.
Good job. Sometimes we have a hard time telling the difference between tomato and potato, right?
A potato.
Yeah, potatoes are bigger, they're brown or white or purple.
And red.
Yeah, tomatoes are red.
What is?
Peppers, jalapenos.
Yeah, spicy.
They're spicy. The produce is washed. Also in our bag here, we've got shredded cheddar cheese and some shredded cabbage. Dory has this apron on, but Mama does not. Now we're ready.
We're ready. Yay!
The thing about cutting onions is that sometimes they make us cry, right, Dory? Sometimes cutting onions, we start to cry. But not this time. This time we're not gonna cry, we're gonna be strong.
So, this is tattoo?
No, those don't make us sad.
Does it make sense?
Those make us sad sometimes. Sometimes they make us cry. Look at this, beautiful. We've got our chopped tomatoes, chopped jalapeno peppers, and chopped onions ready to go. High five.
5, 1.
Okay, we need a pan.
This is oil.
This is oil.
I'll put the oil in.
You wanna put the oil in? Okay. Okay, ready? Woo, good job.
Big
Don't touch this though because, why? Don't touch this because it's hot, right? Yeah, we can't touch this because it's very, very hot and you'll get burned if you touch it.
No, this is beef.
This is cabbage. This is cabbage. Cabbage, yeah.
This is yummy.
Yeah, it's yummy.
You're making it spicy?
Making it spicy, yeah.
Dad! It's so yummy this.
So yummy.
Like a little, like a big bit.
It looks like a poo-poo.
Yeah.
We're gonna take this mix, we're gonna put it in the tortilla, and then we're gonna take this chipotle sauce and we're gonna put it on top of the tacos. Yeah, it's all mixed. It's all mixed together. And so now the next steps are just to plate the tortillas, put the taco mix in them with some shredded cheese, some chipotle sauce, and some tomatoes. Oh, and some shredded cabbage. And that's it. And then we have ourselves a nice, beautiful taco. Does that sound good?
Yeah. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Oh, I'm gonna sit down and do it.
Okay. So me and Dory are gonna sit down here and eat our dinner in a second.
Eat our dinner.
Yeah!